Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah if you're new here, and today I'm going to be showing you a super easy hack to keep your ponytail from ever looking flat. I use this hack all the time and I think it looks so good. Before we get into the video, be sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok if you are not already. My username is @HannahWhirling, and let's get started. Another quick note before we get started is that it is kind of cloudy, sunny outside today, so the lighting might be changing a little bit throughout the video. That is just unfortunately what it is today, so I will try and match the lighting as best I can for you. So all you're going to need for this hairstyle is 2 hair ties like this. You can also use a clear elastic. I just prefer this kind of hair tie because it doesn't catch on my hair as much. When you are doing a normal ponytail, usually I will take the front pieces out like this, and then I just pull it back like that and hold it with a hair tie. This can be very pretty, but unfortunately it is also quite flat, so the ponytail will just kind of hang there and you don't get a lot of volume even if you try and bring it up a little bit higher. So to make sure that you're getting that volume, what I do is start by pulling out the front pieces of hair. I just like the way this looks, and then you're going to take about 1/3 to half of your hair on either side and just get that top layer in there, and then you're going to hold that with a hair tie. So this is my top layer. I'm just going to hold it like that. Once you have that, you're going to pull the ponytail downwards, and this is going to create some space, and you're going to split it approximately down the middle like that. Then pull your fingers up and pull the ponytail through just like that. So this is a very pretty hairstyle on its own, but we're really trying to get that kind of voluminous ponytail. So the next thing you're going to do is take this section of hair, and you're actually going to pull it over to the front. We're going to come back to that in a little bit. So you can just kind of keep that over in the front. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to pull the rest of the hair that you have together into a ponytail like this. Get all those flyaway pieces, and you're going to create this ponytail right underneath the base of the other one. If you need to, you can brush your hair out here. So take the second hair tie and you're going to tie it right below the base here. So now you have that second ponytail right here. Now you can flip this one back around. This is what it looks like right now. It looks a little crazy. Stick your 2 fingers through the hole between the top layer, and you're going to grab that ponytail underneath and you're going to pull it through just like this. Just ignore that and then pull this one and just tighten it up underneath so that the 2 ponytails will come together neatly like that. And then have the top one, you can tighten it up as well. So this is what it will look like in the end. I think it looks so beautiful and lifted without having to put a high ponytail on the top of your head. Your hair will always look like there is a lot of volume, and you will also get some extra length onto your ponytail just because you have that second ponytail on there. So not only will you get this beautiful volume, but you'll also get the length as well. This is what it looks like from the front and side. I love the way that this looks. It's so pretty. You really do get a lot of beautiful volume in your hair. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not checked out my other videos already, be sure to head over to my channel to that. I have more hair care, fashion, skincare, and more, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!